Today I am going to show you how to monetize your TikTok account. Let's go ahead and start up the app. Go to my profile. Oh, it looks like this finally popped up next to my YouTube. This is TikTok Studio. Note my number of followers. All right, let's go ahead and click on that. And it looks like right here, because I have at least 1,000 subscribers, I can finally have monetization turned on. See, let's go ahead and view all right here. Even though the balance is 0, here are the programs that applies to me. I can create a TikTok shop for creators, work with artists, subscriptions, creator rewards program. Okay, let's go ahead and apply for this. Why can I apply? Because I finally meet the community guidelines, have over 1,000 subscribers, and I'm at least 18 years old. This is where I can promote products and earn commission. Let's go ahead and apply for that. You officially joined TikTok shop. Here's what's next. Pick a product, promote, post a shopper video. Okay. So here we have a whole bunch of product selections ranging from looks like food to electronics, goods, anything you think of, similar to like a Amazon page, right? So let's say, for example, if I select this, okay. Review the order. You can add a shipping address. See? Let's see what happens if I click on work with artists, even though that's something I probably would not do. This is basically for musicians out there. So click on apply. I bet you this lets you select other TikTok music creators. Similarly, the guidelines, apply for that. See? And now it shows you different kind of campaigns, people who are the funds that they request. So you pick that. See? Just simple as that. Alright, it looks like in order to activate the TikTok shop, I need to perform this update. Let's see what this is. It looks like, please complete identity verification. Click here to complete identity verification to unlock selling on TikTok. Okay, so let's do that. To become a TikTok shop creator, please complete the below identity verification. Looks like you have to fill out your name, your birthday, your address, and even your social security number, and then you're going to click the proceed to review. So once you have everything filled out, it's going to say confirm to review. You clicked on that, and then it says it will do a very fast check, and it'll say identity verification successful. You can now sell products in showcase videos and live on TikTok. So there you have it. So now I can go and create shoppable videos and also promote products where they can ship it to me. Now I can earn money by creator rewards program. As you can see right here, it's showing that my monetization analytics is 0. We can use creator program to create content. Alright, and you can also have a subscription. And here are all the available options. For example, TikTok Shop Creator. Alright, here you can see ways of making money. Earn rewards for completing tasks such as posting shoppable videos or going live. Post 5 or more qualifying videos with product links and one other task to earn this $45. So it's kind of like a go as you please plan. You complete certain steps and you get rewards. Yeah. Here's an example. See, you can add it. These type of products. You make videos, shoppable videos. See, this is where you can make videos. It's as simple as that. So I hope this helps.